Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this electric smart lock for reviewing purposes. So let's open it up and let's see what comes inside. I think that it's nice because it's a deadbolt that you can just use with your fingertip or with a keypad with the code that you make, which I think that it's nice. You can install it all by yourself, which I think that it's nice. This is the main unit deadbolt from the inside part, okay? You can move it around, lock it, unlock it from the inside, and in here you have the space of 4 AA batteries that it uses. In any case that the battery stops working, you can connect a power bank right here and still being able to use it with the code and the fingertip, or use the case that comes included, which I think that is nice. This is the outside part, and in here we get the proper deadbolt and all the screws and attachments that we are going to need to do the installation, as you can see, which I think that it's great. We also get all the spare screws that we might need in case that they are required, and obviously the case to use it, okay? Which is really nice, that comes included. It seems like an easy installation, so let's start install it and let's see how it works, okay? Come on. I think that it's great that the proper installation process doesn't take that much long and need any complicated, which makes it for a quick installation, which I think that it's nice. All the steps are really easy to follow, and to configure it you can just use it with the number pad, which I think that it's nice. As I've said, it uses 4 AA batteries, which I think that they are nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think it's nice because you can lock it like this or unlock it manually from the inside, or if you are on the outside and if you want it to lock, you can just press this button like 2 seconds and it will lock. And you can also activate a auto locking function, which I think that it's really nice. Right now it has a default master code that we can change, which I'm going to change right now. I'm not going to show you the password, but I'm going to show you how to change these passcodes, okay? First step, you have to press twice the middle button and press the master code. And this one once again, press 1. Okay, and now I've already changed the code. You just have to press twice this button, press the old code, then once again this button, select which of the different functions you want to change. You can change different functions, as you can see, that are numbered in here. Depending on the number that you need, you can press one of the buttons and adjust it like that, okay? I'm also going to turn on the auto lock mode, okay? Okay, let's just press, let's test out the code first of all. Okay, it works, that's nice. Let's turn on the auto lock mode. Seven. Okay, now that it's already activated, I'm gonna unlock it. And as you can see, it's unlocked, and with the auto lock function, it's gonna go back locked, which I think that it's really nice. I really don't have to worry. You can just close the door and it will automatically lock itself, which I think that it's great. I'm gonna add a fingertip, okay, also. Okay, I'm gonna press 4, and I'm gonna scan my fingertip. Okay, that's it. That's the setup, which I think that it's really nice. And you can allow even more users, so different people can enter the room where you have your lock, which I think that it's really nice. You can also set the auto lock time delay if you want it. You can set it up from 5 seconds, which is the base duration, to 99 seconds if you want it, which I think that it's nice. And another two functions that I think that they are great is that it has a one-time code. It's a code that you can set it up, and then one person uses it will only work for one time, and then it will be deleted of the memory, so they won't access again. Which I think is helpful in some kinds of situations when you just need that person enters the room you have locked for one item, for example, or situations like that. And you can even get a vacation mode that when you have many different people registered, or many different fingertips, you can set it up for the application mode, which is just enabling to use the master code to unlock it, which I think that it's great. You can activate it or deactivate it, which I think that it's really nice and overall, because as you can see, it's really easy to use. It works perfectly. I can just have it and as you can see, I have already locked it. The lock function works again. Overall, I think that it's great and I would really recommend it. See you guys.